Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be about a Duramax that I got for 1900 bucks. The frame's pretty rusty and the body's shot, but I'm going to try my best to make this thing nice again. Okay, so here we have the 2004 Sierra 2500 HD LB7 truck. So I bought this thing for $1,900 and it's a pile of rust. As you can see back here, most of the metal's already ground down pretty far. Most of it was surface rust on the outside of the frame, which is fine. But coming down here, these are going to have to be replaced, the spring hangers. That hole is not supposed to be there. The one in front is. So these got to be replaced. This side is worse over here. I don't know if you can really see it. Maybe better on this side. Yeah. That one is gone. So these got to come off anyway because I have to replace this cross member back here. You know, I was pretty happy it didn't look too rotted until I got to the inside of the frame rail over here. Can't see, I don't have light, but the inside there of this cross member is rusted through. Maybe you can see that little hole there. It's not supposed to be like that. So this has to come out. So as you can see over here, everything is riveted on. These are gonna have to be ground off. I don't have a torch to burn them off, unfortunately. It would make my life a lot easier if I did. So not a big deal. The new one will just bolt on, which is fine. Comes with a new shock mount, new mounting for your trailering and taillight harness junction block. But other than that, you know, it didn't look too bad. This side of the frame over here is far better than the driver's side. As you can see back here, there is one spot where it was starting to rust a little bit. However, I hit it with the air chisel and the needle scaler. It's not thin at all. It's just starting to eat away at that surface. So I figure if I get it now, that should be good. Now if we come back here, this cross member is totally shot. This one supports the fuel tank strap, not a big deal. I don't think it's super structural like this one in the middle is. I checked this one, it looks rough, but no thin spots, no holes, so I'll say that one's probably good to keep in there, which is great. Don't have to weld nothing. So this one's gonna get replaced. Again, you have a bolt down here. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe on the other side you can see it. You got a bolt and a rivet over there. Rivet's going to come out. Bolt's going to be replaced. So nothing crazy there. Kind of working on dropping the tank right now to get better access to this here. Had to grab the tools to disconnect the lines. I forgot them the other day. But yeah, other than that, I mean, this frame isn't too bad in the back of the truck. Thought it was going to be a lot worse. You know, when I bought the thing, I'll have to find some pictures, but when I bought it, with the amount of undercoating and dirt and grime on there, it looked horrible. I almost was second guessing myself buying this one. Kind of still am sometimes, you know. Don't know if I'm going to be able to make it perfect, but sure as hell can try, right? So as far as the whole truck goes, this thing is rough. As you can see, originally it is a black truck. Original paint back here. The previous owner had actually rolled on some paint over the black because he replaced, I think, one of the doors or something. They didn't match. He wanted to match. This was a work truck, so we went with the white. Front fenders are obviously shot. Can replace those. I took the front headlights and grill and all that off already. I was doing something under there, but this is all going to come off anyway, so not worried about it. I do have the parts to go in there though. Again, with this fender, it's completely shot. Going down to the cab, back half is just shot as well. You can see back here, completely gone, so it's going to need rockers and cab corners. and honestly probably a little bit more than that as well. I think the driver's side front mounting point is not gone, but it's pretty bad, so I'm gonna weld that up a little bit, make it nice. Cab corner completely gone, even going into the actual cab itself there, so that's gonna be fun to fix. Other side, a little bit worse. This side is probably the worst side of the whole truck here. Passenger side ain't that bad, but that's bad. Cab corner completely gone. Rockers gone in the back. Pretty much gone in the front as well. I'll open it up. Interior is dirty. Carpet, it's gonna be replaced. Sorry for the lighting in here again. It's a little dark in the shop. Interior is gonna have to be replaced for sure though. Carpeting at least. Got a new steering wheel for it because this thing is nasty. You can see that. But other than the door panels and the carpet, steering wheel and the driver's seat, it's not terrible. Headliner, of course, it's gonna have to be replaced. So go ahead and open the hood real quick. Just take a look. And this thing is completely stock, no tunes or nothing, which is probably one of the biggest reasons I actually picked it up. It's because it hasn't been beat on. You know, as a work truck, yes, but not racing, none of that. No tunes, no high boost, no eating the crap out of the transmission, stuff like that. You can see here, definitely looks like it's got a head gasket. It does pressurize the coolant system when it's running, so basically looking at doing head gaskets and injectors minimum on this motor. But other than that, you know, it seems alright. It's not bad. It does run. I did drive it here from where I bought it, which was about 30-40 miles. Of course, checked the coolant and oil, made sure it wasn't all diesel fuel in the oil, but did okay. Ran good, smoky, but it made it. So yeah, that's the exterior of this truck. It's really rough, you know. New bumper. Basically everything is being replaced cosmetically on this thing, which is fine. Like I said, it does run, so I'll go ahead and start it up for you guys. It's been sitting for a long time here, a few months actually, but I did start it like 2 weeks ago. And again, it's a climate controlled shop, so it should start right up. Alright, so I got one of the two batteries hooked up. Hopefully it's got enough juice to crank it over and give it a shot. Let's see if she'll go. As you can see, it's running now. That's all I got for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I do have more content planned in the future, a couple different vehicles possibly to build or restore. So it's going to be a while, but I'll get there. Hope you guys want to stick with me for the journey. Thank you.